Excellent, excellent. Hello, welcome to UK Primetime. And today's a very special event. You're going to see something today. Let us give you a couple minutes and have you call your upline, your downline, your around line, that circle of friends that you have and you want to have go on this journey with. So give them a call, send them a text, and have them come in. We still have a few more seats. So while you're doing that, also grab your pen and your notebook, because I know you're keeping a notebook. Grab your notebook and get ready so that you can take some notes and you can write down your questions. It's so important for you to write down your questions. So when we get to the point of answering those questions, you'll have them to ask. So please go ahead and do that. My name is Grace, and it is my pleasure and privilege to be your host for this event. Welcome to UK Primetime. Today, we have the presenter who I call my master presenter. He is a person who has been in this industry for quite some time. His life experience lends itself to exactly what he does best, convey information and to also help people. He is developing expertise in MetaMask security, and he is a prolific videographer. You have seen his playlist and probably have it as part of your learning library. And I call him Shiba Joe, but he is climbing the ladder of success in this particular project. Let him tell you about it. Here is Shiba Joe.
Good evening, everybody. It's my pleasure to be here for you this evening, and it is with great pride that I am presenting for you this evening. We have got something incredible
Recording in progress.
So let us begin. There with you. Okay, and my screen is visible.
Yes.
Perfect.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We're All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Amazing. So that's the housekeeping done. So I'm going to be describing and explaining and sharing all about the We're All Satoshi ecosystem this evening, which incorporates Boomerang and Affiliate Marketing 2.0. Now, We're All Satoshi is a company with a future. But how can one describe it? Most people are often asked, what exactly is We're All Satoshi? So to give you an idea of what We're All Satoshi is, It is an online company that is dedicated to either creating innovative products within, at this moment, the crypto space, or by bringing us from outside innovative products from in the crypto space, all with the purpose of enabling the average everyday person to be able to earn an extra income alongside whatever it is you may already be doing, and combining that with affiliate marketing 2.0, giving you the ability to share the opportunity with other people and in turn get rewarded for your efforts. And what is affiliate marketing 2.0? Well, affiliate marketing 2.0 is all about changing the reputation of an industry that has been changing lives all around the world for 3-4 decades now. But along that journey has been so badly misrepresented by people all around the world, or has been so badly misunderstood by people all around the world, that its reputation has been so badly maligned that it no longer carries the status that it used to have. Yet, in the years that I have known and worked within the affiliate marketing space, I have seen lives change. So we are combining the affiliate marketing space with real world products that you can benefit from. Now, all of this is the brainchild of our CEO, Chavez. Now, he has a long-term vision for the We Are All Satoshi ecosystem, and that is exactly what it is. It is an ecosystem. The long-term goal is to bring many products to the ecosystem so that you can pick and choose, either use all of them or use some of them from whatever industry they come from, so that you can benefit from them, so that we can be here for decades, not just for the next 6 months or the next 8 months, but more importantly, that you can share with confidence. You can tell people about, knowing that you have products that do what they say they will do, coming from a company that delivers what it says it will deliver. And our long-term goal is giving power back to the community, securing liquidity, and ensuring sustainability through 140 years of mining journey. So what does that mean? 140 years of mining journey? I'm not going to be around 140 years. Well, we are a product-led company, and that, of course, means that we have products. And we started that product journey way back in October of last year. And our first product was Bitcoin Code. Now, Bitcoin Code is an exact duplicate of Bitcoin. 21 million supplies, 7,200 released on a daily basis, 50 every 10 minutes, a halving every 4 years, completely decentralized. It is everything that Bitcoin is, but with a few adaptations. And why do we need another Bitcoin? What's the purpose? We have Bitcoin after all. Well, most of us here, maybe even all of us, way back 15 years ago, 2008, 2009, 2010, Bitcoin was born and we just walked past it and didn't pay any attention, either because we didn't understand it, or we didn't believe in it, or we just wasn't aware of it. Nonetheless, we all walked past it. And as the years went by, the uptake of Bitcoin, the belief in the Bitcoin ecosystem grew. And along with it, a huge crypto ecosystem now worth trillions of dollars. And along that journey, lives changed, but not ours, because we missed it. Now, we can't travel back in time. So what's the next best option? Well, Chavez came up with the next best option, and that is to re-release Bitcoin, and that's in the form of Bitcoin code. So what's different about Bitcoin code? Well, Bitcoin code itself is everything that Bitcoin is. So it's the technology around it. Firstly, the BTCC blockchain, known as the BTC20 blockchain, is faster than almost any other blockchain to transact with. It is cheaper than almost any other blockchain to transact with. That's the first two innovations that we bring to the new ecosystem. You don't need to mine it using heavy industrial computer equipment, and you don't need to learn the skills to configure that computer system to be able to mine. And that means that you don't need to lose half the space in your house to all of this equipment and the cooling equipment that comes with it, or spend the thousands of dollars of electricity that these miners use every month. Because Chavez has innovated these incredible NFT miners. These miners give you the ability to mine online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 years for the next 140 years. So that you don't need all of that equipment. It can all be done through your phone, through your laptop, every single day. So Bitcoin code is giving you a second chance to be part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. In only a few months of launch, we went from $3 up to around $80. We have projects all around the world that are waiting to launch on our blockchain, which will give BTCC a huge boost in value as the coming months and years go by. So Bitcoin code is definitely the heart and soul of the We're All Satoshi ecosystem. And you can get started on your mining journey for only $50. We have these three NFT miners, the GT1X, which is $50, the GT10X, which is $500, the GT100X, which is $5,000. This is not, well, you definitely do not want to miss this opportunity again. But it's Boomerang that we're here for. It's Boomerang that has brought many of us over the last 3-4 months into this ecosystem. This exciting, innovative product that Chavez has brought us is a fascinating concept, and it combines the elements of arbitrage trading, artificial intelligence, smart contracts, and zero collateral flash loans. Now, some of these things I didn't really know what they were. So let's learn. Arbitrage involves exploiting price differences of the same asset in different markets or on different platforms. For example, if an asset is priced lower on one exchange and higher on another, traders can buy the asset on the cheaper platform and sell it on the more expensive one, profiting from the price differential. Arbitrage opportunities are often fleeting and require quick execution to capitalize on the price gaps. This is a pretty good explanation. It sounds very simple, doesn't it? Buy the asset here, move it over there and sell it. But the crypto space is very volatile. And in order to be able to operate all of these things with speed and efficiency, you have to have a pretty deep understanding of not just the crypto space, but the various different platforms that you're going to be using so that you can buy the asset quickly and move the asset quickly and sell the asset quickly in order to be able to capitalize on that price differential. Because as it says here, they are fleeting because the crypto space and the crypto prices change moment to moment. So that knowledge is important. But with Boomerang, that knowledge isn't necessary. At the click of a button, using AI and smart contract technology, with nothing more at the click of a button, you can execute an arbitrage. Doesn't matter what your background is, what your education or experience is. Artificial intelligence. Now, we've all heard of artificial intelligence. Who hasn't? Of course, we've been using it on our phones for probably over a decade now, maybe even 15 years or more. But artificial intelligence, or AI, is the intelligence of machines or software, as opposed to the intelligence of other living beings, primarily humans. There is barely an industry that now is not utilizing AI in some way. I see adverts every day on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram of another company or somebody telling you, you can use artificial intelligence for this and you can use it for that. The use of artificial intelligence, without doubt, is becoming the biggest innovator in every industry, not just the tech space. Smart contracts. Now, this is a terminology that we hear bandied around all the time, but how many of us really understand what it is? Well, a smart contract is defined as a digital agreement that is signed, stored on a blockchain network, which executes automatically when the contract terms and conditions are met. The terms and conditions are written in blockchain-specific programming languages, such as Solidity. So you have a predefined contract. You have triggering events which spark the contract to take action and execute the preset program with real-time settlement. So even that's a really good description, but to some people this may still be gibberish. So allow me to put it into some very simple terms that hopefully will help anybody understand. A smart contract is essentially a piece of computer coding that has been coded in a very specific way to execute very specific instructions within the technology space. That's really all you need to know. Now, this is the next innovation, the DeFi flash loan. Now, I'd never heard of a flash loan before being introduced into Boomerang. A flash loan is a relatively new form of uncollateralized loan. They're available to traders on some decentralized finance protocol-based blockchain networks. This type of loan allows traders to borrow unsecured loans from lenders without a middleman. Now, this is a groundbreaking piece of innovation in the tech space that up till now has only been available for tech providers and people who work in the crypto space, in the high-end tech industry, and programmers. But Boomerang is bringing this to the average everyday person. So what does that mean for you? Well, of course, when you start your trading journey on a trading platform, what do you need? Of course, you need capital. So you have to deposit a few $100s, maybe as a starting point, $300 or $400, $500, while you test the waters, start to learn how to trade. But then as you become a little bit more engrossed, maybe a little bit more experienced, you need to deposit maybe $4,000 or $5,000. Somehow you have to find this capital. You hope that you can generate this capital through trading. But of course, when you're trading, there's always the risk of loss. That puts a tremendous amount of pressure on you. But Boomerang is bringing you the DeFi flash loan. And what that means for you is that you now have the ability to trade without using your capital. You now have access to tens of thousands of dollars of flash loan allowance so that you can trade not only at the click of a button, but risk-free. I mean, that is just what an offering for the average everyday person. When a flash loan has been issued, the smart contract rules ensure that the borrower pays back the loan before the transaction ends. If this condition isn't met, the smart contract reverses the transaction and it's like the loan never happened in the first place. And this guarantees the safety of the funds in the reverse pool. So this is talking all about protection for you and the liquidity provider as the lender. The smart contract is coded in such a way that if the transaction, the trade, cannot be executed in a profitable way, then the trade is not allowed to be completed. Now think of that. That's really important, because imagine you do a $10,000 trade and you lose at a rate of 3%. Suddenly you wouldn't have enough money to pay back the liquidity provider. You may not have necessarily lost any of your own capital from depositing, but you would have lost that trade and you would be owing money to the liquidity provider. From the liquidity provider's perspective, that would cost them millions to chase people all around the world to recover that money. So the smart contract creates a strong level of protection for you as the borrower and the liquidity provider as the lender. And that really means that you cannot execute a losing trade. Meaning, just as I said before, you can now trade risk-free. So if you had a flash loan of 10 Ethereum and you use that 10 Ethereum to buy the undervalued crypto on exchange A, you then move it to exchange B and you could sell it for 11 Ethereum, for example. Now, in the finalizing of this contract, the finalizing of this transaction, the smart contract repays the flash loan of 10 Ethereum. And that leaves you with a 1 Ethereum profit. And where does that go? Well, if you was on any other platform, that profit remains in control of that platform. So that when you eventually choose to do a withdrawal, you have to rub your lucky's rabbit's foot, gather all your lucky crystals together and hope that you'll be able to receive that withdrawal. And often we find that that's not the case, that the platform is a scam platform and you've lost your deposited funds plus all your profits. But not here, not in Boomerang, not under the watchful eye of We're All Satoshi. Every penny of your profits from the first cent to the last cent goes directly into your MetaMask, where you are in control, where you can decide when to withdraw, not for anybody else to decide, but for you. And if there's anybody here this evening that's not familiar with MetaMask, MetaMask is a decentralized crypto wallet where you hold the keys. Nobody has control over your wallet but you. Now, this is our new dashboard. This runs super fast, and hopefully we're going to have a little demonstration for you at the end of this presentation. So at the top here, let's show you there, you can see this is where you connect your wallet. When this isn't connected, it says connect wallet. You simply connect your wallet and your wallet address will be displayed. So first thing is obviously to make sure that you connect to the correct wallet address, the wallet address that you used when you purchased your Boomerang license. Just here, these are your user stats. So this is where your profit ceiling will show and where your flash loan allowance is displayed. Then up on the top left, this is the platform refresh button. So once in a while, you click that refresh button, it will refresh your screen and allow the AI to operate more efficiently. You then have the optimized gas fee. Now, this is a feature that Chavez has introduced to enable the platform to minimize gas fees so that they are no more than 1 or 2 cents. We still do need to monitor the gas fees, but this feature is going to keep them down to a bare minimum. And then you finally, you click the auto transaction button. Now, this is a semi-manual process. The bot will be with us within the next 2 to 4 weeks, I believe. So at this point, with the old beta version, you picked your pair, you put in the amount of the value amount of what you you selected the pair and you entered the first of those pair. You then entered the size of that trade that you wish to execute. You then entered the second of the pair and then you executed. But here, with this completely revamped system, allowing you to trade faster and more profitably, You don't need to do all of that. You simply click the auto transaction button and the AI selects the pair, selects the trade, executes the trade. And that's it. You only press that one button and everything is done for you. And your profits, of course, land in your MetaMask and they are shown here on your dashboard.
Boomerang. So if you want.
And here's a little, a short video giving you a demonstration on mobile.
Boomerang. So if you want to do a trade with Boomerang, you go to your MetaMask and make sure that you go to the right wallet. That's the most important thing. So always check, that you have the right wallet. You need to have some Matic in there for gas fee. So then you go to the right side, you see the eye next to the blue ball with the arrow up and down, all the way down in the screen. You see that eye, and I click on that one. Then you go to boomerang.dev. You see boomerang.dev, really important. You click on go, and then you come to the main screen and you click on enter. Now on enter, then you can see some very interesting things. In user stats, in the middle of the screen, you can see your profit ceiling. If you don't see an amount there, then you are not whitelisted yet. You just have to wait. It will be very soon, and they are working with the whole team very hard on that. But you can see the profit ceiling here is 43,500 USDT. So how do you start? First, you click on refresh. You let it refresh. When it is refreshed, you can see everything into your account and you click on optimize gas fee and you see that left above the user stats. You click on optimize and here you click on, make sure that the optimized gas fee is on. Once you have done this, you click on auto transaction. You see that on the right side next to user stats. And that's the only thing what you need to do. Now everything is going automatically. And sometimes, yes, okay, we get a confirmation here and estimated gas fee 0.03. Let's do this. And this is now because there's a lot of high network activity now. So this can be done now. And let's see, the auto trade now is trading and you can see completed transaction 53. And this is how the system works. You see, success, you have successfully traded. And I can click on view on TX and it will bring me to the blockchain from Polygon Scan and I can see exactly what happened. You can see from Aave protocol, you can go all the way down, you can see the buying, the selling, everything is on the blockchain. Really good, really great. And you can see here, everything is on here. Really amazing. So now we go back to the dApp. This one and then arrow back. So I click this down, then I'm going to, let's see if I can refresh the dApp. And then you can see in the profit ceiling user stats, you see it in the top, total profit 40 cents. And that is now coming from off the limits. So the profit ceiling is 43,500. You see limit left is now 43,499 and 59 cents. And this is how you do it. Thank you. Goodbye and greetings.
Amazing. So here is the offering from Boomerang. We have several licenses available for you. License number 1, which is $500. License 2, which is $1,000. License 3, which is $3,000. License 4, that's $5,000. And the offering, when you buy a license from Boomerang through the WOZ platform, you receive unlimited flash loan trading allowance until you have achieved 2x your subscription value. And that means when you buy the license 1, your guaranteed profits through trading will be $1,000, or license 2, $2,000, or license 3, $6,000, or license 4, $10,000. But, these are pretty exciting numbers, but, we wanted to put a cherry on top of the cake. So license number 5 is $10,000. When you buy the $10,000 license, you will receive unlimited flash loan trading allowance until you have received 2x your subscription value. guaranteed trading profits with zero risk and zero loss. What more could you ask for from an opportunity? Not only is it guaranteed profits, not only is it zero risk, and all of the profits go directly into your MetaMask where you are in control. Now, all of this is attached to the We're All Satoshi Affiliate Marketing 2.0 system. Now, the WOS compensation plan is a binary system, and when you join the binary system, you are a basic subscriber. When you introduce one person to the left, one person to the right, you become a premium subscriber, and you open more opportunities to earn through the rest of the compensation plan. And the first of that is the introducer kickback. Subscribers can earn 5% rewards as introducer kickbacks for referring unlimited subscribers. And this is from the third paid subscription that you sponsor directly. Introducer kickbacks on repurchase. 5% rewards are given when all personally introduced subscribers repurchase. We have the check match bonus. When you sponsor one subscriber on the left and one on the right, you will qualify to receive a check match bonus of 10%. The check match bonus is limited on a daily basis to $300 until you rank up. This capping for the check match bonus increases as subscribers climb the ranks. So let's see that. So you join, you are a basic subscriber. You introduce person number one and then person number two. You are now premium and you introduce person number three. They buy a license. So now you have earned a 5% kickback of $25, but you've also generated a 10% check match. So your total income is $125 for simply sharing an opportunity. That's not so hard, is it? For simply inviting people along to a presentation like this and saying, come and look at this exciting opportunity. This looks really interesting. Myself, the other presenters, the other trainers, Grace, the co-hosts, we turn up every day to generate and create this plug and play system for you to be able to bring your prospects to, so that they can see a professional presentation, and then they can see one from me as well. And then they have the opportunity to see what's on offer. So take advantage of it. Bring your prospects to these presentations and let them see just what is on offer from the We're All Satoshi ecosystem. Each time you subscribe to either a BTCC miner or a Boomerang license, this investment gets 3x, and this is called potential earnings. This potential earning amount for all income and bonuses is 3x your subscription amount. Repurchases are available for all miners and licenses. So that means that when you buy a $50 miner, your potential income through the affiliate model, not through mining, but through the affiliate model, is $150. When you buy the 500 miner, it's through the affiliate model, it's $1,500. And when it's the 5,000, it's 15,000. When you buy a $500 Boomerang license, your potential income through the affiliate model is $1,500, or 3,000, 9,000, 15,000, or 30,000. And why do we call these potential incomes? I mean, after all, we know this works, don't we? Many of us here have been here from the beginning, and many have joined in the last few months that have seen this working. So why call it potential income? Well, because whilst we know the system works, we don't know if you do. We don't know what your plans and goals are. We're not your mum. We're not your boss. If you wish to join this platform, the We're All Satoshi ecosystem, and remain a basic subscriber, all by yourself, trading by yourself, mining by yourself, taking advantage of all of the other products that we've got coming by yourself, that's absolutely fine. Not a problem. But if you're here with a bigger vision of where you want the next 6 months of your life to be, if you have a vision that you have carried around on your shoulders for so long, but have not managed to find the right place to grow that vision and make that vision a reality, welcome home. Because this is the last place you will ever need to go. because in the We're All Satoshi ecosystem, we will be providing you with all of the opportunities that you need. Now, this is the Ascension Club bonus system. And this system is to reward you for your efforts in growing and contributing to the community. The first rank is the rank of Shiba. When you do $100,000 of business on your left and right side, your daily income cap is increased to $360, plus you will be rewarded with $1,000 of Shiba tokens in recognition of your efforts. And as your business volume grows, you will move through these ranks, receiving the tokens of that particular rank and an increase in your daily income cap until you reach the rank that again. $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Imagine that crypto portfolio on your phone. That's something to be amazed by. But maybe you're looking at this thinking, how on earth would I do $100,000 worth of business on my left and right, let alone $20 million? Remember, this is a binary system. So this business volume is not just that you have contributed. It is the total value of your entire binary system tree. And believe me, this can grow very quickly. I'm not an extraordinary person. I'm not an extraordinary team builder. I'm not an platform. Please print this off and put it somewhere prominently in your house where you will see it every morning and last thing at night. And let this be your motivation of where you want to be in the next 6 months, but much more importantly, where you want to help somebody else be in the next 6 months. We also have the structure pool income. To attain mega pool by accomplishing a business volume of $1 million of Boomerang licenses, or by securing 3 node subscriptions on both your left and right sides, and you'll be eligible to receive a monthly share of 4% of the total company revenue. To attain the gigapool by accomplishing a business volume of $5 million of Boomerang licenses, or by having a minimum of 2 members who have achieved the mega node pool rank on both your left and right side, you will be eligible to receive a monthly share of 7% of the total company revenue. To attain TerraPool by accomplishing a business volume of $10 million of Boomerang licenses, or by having at least 1 giga member on your left and right side, you will be eligible to receive a monthly share of 10% of the total company revenue. Plus, you will be granted a free node subscription. Now, a node subscription is really exciting. I don't have the slides or the time to be able to explain that for you this evening, but please refer back to your upline or the person who introduced you tonight. They'll explain to you just why a node is not only exciting, but extremely profitable. So now we arrive at the terms and conditions. A flash loan will be granted exclusively to whitelisted wallets and will have a free $50 miner included. On MVP, users who obtained a Boomerang license will be able to utilize their flash loan. All new purchased Boomerang licenses will have unlimited flash loan until 2x of the license purchase price has been achieved. Introducer kickbacks and check match bonuses are credited to the account on a daily basis. Subscribers have the opportunity to receive Ascension Club rewards from multiple clubs. For example, if a subscriber has achieved Cardano rank in the club, then they will receive club bonus from Cardano, Doge, Tron, and Shiba as well. Ascension Club rewards will be credited once a month. All affiliate earnings are subject to a 2% admin fee with 0 withdrawal fees. Minimum deposit and withdrawal is 10 USDT. Pool income will be calculated based on the total company revenue for the period starting from the first day to the 30th day of each month. The maximum earning amount for all income and bonuses is restricted to 3 times the subscription amount. The Bitcoin Ascension Club rank has no 3x capping. And that brings us to the end of the presentation. And hopefully you can see exactly why this opportunity is so exciting. And this is only the beginning. Chavez has such amazing ideas for the long term for this ecosystem. I just can't express how excited I am to watch this journey unfold for everybody in this community. So the only question remaining, of course, is when will you become a Satoshi? Thanks for watching. Back to you, Grace.
Joe, that was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for such a wonderful, informative presentation. I really, really appreciate it, and with such energy and enthusiasm.
Thank you.
Now, sir, I understand that Trashit is here to be able to show us how this works once it is it's full throttle. Trashit, will you join us, please?
Yes, Grace, and it's a pleasure to participate in this presentations and demonstration, and of course the training. Welcome everybody. Joe, what a wonderful presentation, excellent presentation, and I hope you all had much clarity on the amazing products we have, the ecosystem that we are building, and with the launch of Boomerang's MVP, what we have achieved is nothing but exceptional success. And we all know that we, at the time of launch, we created history in a way for the first time. We congested an entire blockchain. 26% of resources we were using as a smart contract. We were one of the top smart contract which was using the gas consumption. So with that, what we have is an exceptional product in terms of arbitrage platform, and I'm more than honored to be able to demonstrate this platform to you all. Very quickly, let me share my screen with you all and take you all to the exciting dApp that has been developed and delivered by the brilliant none other than Chavez. So
thank you.
So
take care of the annotations, please.
Yeah, please. Sorry. Just a second. Am I given the co-host permission? I'm not able to find the security settings. Okay, the feature has been changed. All right.
Yes.
Okay, so that's a new update on Zoom. The interface has been changed. All right. So let's keep the excitement rolling. And we have this live dApp with us, Boomerang, which gives an exceptional feature of making profits on every single click. So, ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do in this exciting new dApp is just to connect your MetaMask wallet that already has been whitelisted. And if your MetaMask wallet is whitelisted, you might be able to see this profit ceiling. There are many accounts which are receiving the message that they are not permitted or they are not able to view this profit ceiling. That means their accounts are not yet whitelisted. It doesn't matter when it was purchased, but there are a few accounts that are not yet whitelisted, and the development team is right now working on getting all the accounts whitelisted. You don't need to raise any support tickets. You don't need to consult anyone. That is the backend work that is ongoing, and every account on Boomerang will be whitelisted eventually. So this dApp has been so uniquely designed, and the UI and the UX have been excellent so far. I have the privilege to show you and demonstrate to you unrestricted trades, and I'm honored for that. So this dApp practically consists of very minimal settings and interface. Over here, you have menu in which you have the dApp and the transaction history. It is quite resembling to the beta testing dApp that we had access. And over here, there are your wallet settings to connect and to disconnect. All right. So we will go back to dApp. And on the dashboard, you have only three buttons. One is refresh. The other one is to optimize gas fees. And the third one is automatic transactions. Just three buttons, nothing else. So whenever you are starting your trading during the day, for the first time only, you have to do what? Press this button, which shows optimize gas fees. The gas fees, although Shaved had mentioned there won't be charged, but there was a different format for consumption of gas fees by the smart contract, but that was not feasible. And again, it seemed to be a restriction on the new dApp. So for that reason, the gas fees features have been enabled. And for that reason, what we need to do is just for the first time when we are starting trading, all you need to do is press this optimize gas fee option. And as you press this button, it will pop up a notification for a confirmation or a sign in on your MetaMask wallet. And all you need to do is sign. So you will receive a message, optimize gas fees, and the message on the button, it will change. The gas fees is optimized. All right. So that means your user stats that shows your profit ceiling. This is what the total profit ceiling is, and this is what has been left, and this is the total profit that you have made so far. All right. The upper section has total volume, total profit, total number of users. As you can see, it's almost 119,030 users so far. All these numbers are, not exactly correct. There are some changes that, they will reflect properly. And as you can see, this transaction, it changes in real time. So overall, we have like 513,936 transactions so far, and this will keep on changing. You will see after some time this figure, it changes. That means real-time transactions are happening, and even you can verify that on the smart contract address on the blockchain. So over here, this is a refresh button. So all you need to do is just refresh it once. After every trade, you need to do this. And as you refresh this, it practically refreshes your dApp. You just check if your user states are properly displayed. And all you need to do after that is press this auto transaction button. As you do that, the AI takes care of everything. Sometimes you will receive this message, arbitrage failed. Please try again. I'm sorry. So you will receive a pop-up on your MetaMask wallet address, and this is an important part that you need to study properly. The first section, it shows estimated changes. It practically defines which coin or token you will get as benefit, and the the percentage of amount of the coin in dollar. So that's almost $0.30. And also you need to check the estimated gas fees, even that is displayed over here in dollar. You will always make sure that your gas fees is very nominal and you make more profit than your gas fees. So this is a way to check if there is, the gas fees in limit on the blockchain. So once you are comfortable that your profits are more than your gas fees and you're comfortable with the profit you're getting, almost $0.30, all you need to do is press confirm button. And as you press this confirm button, the AI again takes care of everything. And in a way, AI, chooses the pair for you, does the arbitrage trading for you, and also credits the rewards directly into your wallet. So you will find the auto transaction is taking place and automatically the trade will execute. And here you can see success. The trade is success. Let us view this transaction on the blockchain and you will be surprised that the transaction is successful. As you can see the transaction hash code, as you will discover, this is what we have borrowed from Aave. The basic essence of arbitrage trading and the flash loan remains the same. We borrow from flash loan lenders. So you can see over here that almost $57.90 worth WBTC wrap Bitcoin have been borrowed from Aave. And at the end of the transaction hash code, you will see same has been returned with its interest fee. All right. And this is the second last transaction in which you can find the wallet address. And as you can see, $0.30 worth of Bitcoin has been credited to my wallet. So again, what we will do, we will go back to the app, and all we need to do is again press refresh. The user states are proper and auto transaction. That's it. Again, a notification will pop up on MetaMask wallet. Refresh. Auto transaction. Same thing. Just confirm 0.47 Matic. Before that, let me reject this and let us go to our MetaMask wallet and let us have a screenshot of our assets. Let us see what assets we are having over here on MetaMask wallet. So let us take a screenshot of this assets. And record it somewhere over here. All right. And again, let's go back to DApp. Let's refresh it and do auto transaction. A notification on MetaMask wallet. And you will see, you can find the estimated changes are in USDT and $0.26 worth USDT I will receive, and the gas fees is almost $0.02. All right, we'll confirm this. So 0.26 USDT received, although the profit seems less, but it's a profit and it's a consistent profit. And all you need to do is sit back and press this button as many times as possible. On every single click, the trade will be successful. This is something guaranteed. This is something very unique, and this is something which we have never ever seen, except for beta testing, of course. So the gas fees, let us check the gas fees. It's just $0.01. And as assured, as promised, 0.24 directly into my wallet. So again, it was borrowed from Aave here. It was 56.92 in dollars and 56.95 returned back to Aave, and $0.24 worth USDT credited into my MetaMask wallet. So let us check. So USDT that I was having is almost 13.29725. And the one I received is 0.239399. So I must have almost 13.5366 USDT in my MetaMask wallet. Let us check that. Over to MetaMask wallet, tokens, USDT. As you can see, let me verify this. Let me confirm this. So you can see the stats over here, 13.5366, 13.5366. So wallets get credited by the smart contract automatically as the trades are executed, and you can practically do this as long as you want. The dApp is available 24/7. That means any person can transact anything as much as possible. All you need to do is press auto transaction, and that's it. A confirmation on MetaMask wallet. Now see this, the profit is received is almost $0.02, and the gas fees also is $0.02. So all you need to do is keep a track of this notification on MetaMask wallet. Now profit and estimated gas fees seem to be similar, so we will reject this trade. It is up to you. The smart contract will show you how much profit you're going to make and what's the gas fees that you will consume. Just make sure that your gas fees is always lower than your profits. We'll refresh this again. and we will auto transact. Again, the notification on MetaMask wallet. Now the profit is 0.32 and the gas fees is 0.02. So let us confirm this. Again, the profit was in USDT. Success. Let us review the transaction hash code. The gas fees, $0.01, and the reward received, $0.27 worth USDT. So that's 0.27430. All right. So we will add this. Where's the plus? What figure we were having? 13.5566. I think so. 13.5566. Almost 13.830830 should be in my MetaMask wallet. Let us check. Tokens, USDT. Okay, I would have missed some figures. Almost 13.8, right? So practically anybody can sit and do back-to-back trading. So can you believe this? And can you just realize the potential of this platform which we have delivered? Maybe 50 cents or 30 cents in 30 seconds. And people can do this as long as they are comfortable. Maybe with a single person, you can try in shifts, but this is a platform that will be available 24/7. So if this kind of opportunity is available, why would anybody would like to do anything else? And that is what a critical component to be determined over here, and that is the precaution that we have to take. And for that reason, the restrictions have been laid on the app. We already observed that at the time of launch, we congested the entire blockchain. We were consuming 26% of the entire blockchain resources. Polygon is a very smart and very good blockchain. See the profit 0.53, the gas fee 0.02. Let us confirm this. Let us book this profit. And this will never stop. This can happen every time, all the time. You can practically trade with this and success. There is no provision for a failure of trade. This is what we have achieved. This is what we have been delivered with by Chavez. So you can see over here, $0.52 worth USDT. Gas fees 0.01. Would anybody tell me to stop? I'm just doing this for like refresh, auto transaction, refresh, auto transaction. Confirmation on MetaMask. 0.044 worth Ethereum and gas fee 0.02. Let us confirm this. And the listings over here, these are, let us view it on smart or on the blockchain. So this time we booked wrap Ethereum, Aave 38.98 borrowed, $0.44, 0.00. This is the Ethereum value. Gas fees again 0.01. So we can keep doing this. There is no end to it. We will keep doing this, and it will continue to generate profit on every single click. Now, where else will you find such a platform which can give you profits on every single click? This is exceptional. This is unbelievable what we have been delivered with as an opportunity. But again, with great responsibilities or great power comes great responsibilities. So we need to be sensible in terms of using the platform. And for that reason, the restrictions have been laid. And again, I'll repeat, I have already explained why restrictions were laid, and I will repeat that these are temporary restrictions. Chavez and his team are already observing, keeping a check on the DApp transactions as well as the blockchain. And eventually they are trying to figure out what can be the most sustainable way by which everybody can make a profit of this platform, as well as they do not disturb the entire blockchain systems. You know what? If Chavez releases the restriction, if they are laid off, we will again in just 30 minutes, we will again, you know, we will break down the blockchain. We have such a powerful platform, such a powerful system that we have been provided with. So feel blessed, just a little patient that can we have, and eventually these restrictions will be laid off. And in a way, Chavez will figure out something with which everybody can make a profit without disturbing the entire ecosystem. So Grace, over to you, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share this amazing platform with everybody. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. I know it's late where you are. Thank you for your time to come here and give us this fantastic demonstration and training as far as what the real McCoy looks like. We look forward to it. Ladies and gentlemen, this will conclude our event today. Could you lower the music a little bit, please? Thank you. Thank you. This will conclude our event for today. We thank you for coming here. Make sure now to get back with the person who invited you, as I know they're anxious to get back with you. So first, thank them for availing this opportunity to you. And then you guys can get started getting registered if that's something that you want to do after completing your due diligence and whatever else that you need to check. Next time that you can invite somebody here for this presentation to avail them of this opportunity is when tomorrow. But we have also at US prime time this evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we'll see you tomorrow at UK prime time. Thank you all again. I give you back the rest of your day. Bye-bye.